मैं इस बात से सहमत नहीं हूँ। हमारे हर काम का प्रभाव कालाकाश में रहते हर परमाणु पर पड़ता है। अगर ये बात सत्य नहीं तो सब कुछ निरर्थक है। What is the sense of existence then?
This is Neeraj Kabi, a self-taught actor's actor ever since his breakthrough into film at age 42. His years of experience and his devotion to acting have made him a sought-after performer, especially with his roles in Sacred Games and the Amazon Prime Video series Patal Lok.
I, Sanjeev Mehra, am not afraid of you.
Neeraj initially found success after his first film role in the 1997 Odia film Sheshadrushti, but he would have trouble finding additional acting work for years. Neeraj chose to continue immersing himself in his craft as he performed on stage in various productions, even starting his own theatre workshop in 2003, Prava, where he still teaches to this day. Over 14 years passed before Neeraj returned to working in film, but this time he wasn't going anywhere. In the 2012 drama Ship of Theseus, he played a resolute monk who spends his time in deep philosophical conversations with his friends and fighting against animal cruelty. But when he is diagnosed with liver cirrhosis and is told he must go on medication that has been tested on animals, his stubborn refusal to do so acts as a fascinating internal and external struggle. What also stood out was Neeraj's commitment to the role, as he lost a shocking amount of weight and spent time walking around barefoot. This role led to many more roles where Neeraj would continue to surprise audiences.
उसकी सभी ले सकता है, समझे?
After playing a crooked cop in Monsoon Shootout, he took an even darker turn as the leader of a heroin smuggling ring in the thriller Detective Byomkesh Bakshi. And a drug dealer is a far cry from Mahatma Gandhi, who Neeraj got a chance to play not once, but twice. First, in a 2014 informational miniseries about the history of the Indian Constitution, and then again in the 2017 historical drama Viceroy's House. Neeraj also got a chance to work with some of his favorite actors. In The Hungry, a contemporary adaptation of Shakespeare's Titus Andronicus, he played the calculating, power-hungry Arun Kumar opposite his idol, the legend Nasiruddin Shah.
I want your shares in the company, sir.
And he had nothing but loving words for the late Irfan Khan after he acted opposite him as a father who's been accused of murdering his daughter in the drama Talwar, stating that Irfan gave him the space and silence required for such an intense role.
जी भर की रो भी नहीं पाए हम लोग उसके लिए.
Then in 2018, Neeraj had several breakthrough projects come his way. In the commercial hit Hitchki, he played the snobbish Mr. Wadia, a science teacher who looks down on a fellow teacher who has Tourette's syndrome, and then sets out to ruin her class, but eventually has a change of heart.
There are no bad students, just bad teachers.
In Once Again, he got the opportunity to play a romantic lead, something he had been wanting to do for years. But the character that got him the most attention by far was that of the corrupt police officer DCP Parulkar in Sacred Games, whom Neeraj has described as both a beautiful human being and a ruthless monster.
तभी बास मारता है इतना. तेरे जैसे रोज सड़क पे मरे मिलते हैं.
More recently, the golden age of streaming has brought Neeraj even more freedom to explore in-depth, challenging characters. Besides Sacred Games, he has also played an introspective astrologist in The Final Call, a professor coming to terms with an impending divorce in Taj Mahal 1989, and a renowned media tycoon in the crime thriller Patal Lok. Although Neeraj Kabi was a late bloomer in the world of Hindi TV and cinema, it hasn't taken him long to make an impression. After years of rejection, Neeraj has adopted a selective nature that allows him to pick the roles that challenge him the most.